Hi, my name is Phil. This house belonged to my mother and we had to get it sold in a very short time. So Mark of Senso Design Limited did an excellent job because he brought in a whole bunch of different crews which worked on removing the furniture and then renovating the place, removing wallpaper, carpet, everything, got the place ready in record time, 16 days. They were super friendly, they worked long hours, excellent price, and Mark really saved this project. So because of him, we were able to sell the house. So I'm very satisfied, and I would definitely recommend Mark and his team. And he's very flexible, very friendly, very helpful and understanding. I mean, they even removed a wasp nest. We couldn't believe how friendly and just they went that extra mile all the time. So I would definitely recommend Senso Design Limited to anyone who needs to have any renovation done, especially on a project like this where he was able to pull people from different places and give me the best quality workers and the best workmanship and do it in very, very short time. I don't know how we could have done this without his help. So definitely recommend him. Thank you so much.